Good morning to all.
Good morning, madam.
So as we have started linear dependence and independence, in last lecture already we have solved some examples. Now we are going to solve some more examples related to that, whether vectors are linearly dependent or independent. Okay, so let us start at first example. With this first example, what is that? Examine vectors, whether vectors are dependent or independent. If dependent, then find the relation between them. Now here we are finding relation between them means what are the linear combination between the given vectors. In first example, the given three vectors are there. In second also, in third and fourth also. Okay, so getting that first one. First example. So what is that? The vectors are given. X1 is equal to, three vectors are given here. Look at this. Two minus 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3 minus 5, 2, 2. Okay. So let us start at first with first example. X1 is equal to 2 minus 1, 3, 2. Then X2, which is equal to 1, 3, 4, 2. And third vector that is given X3, which is equal to 3 minus 5, 2, 2. Okay. So start with this. So let us consider a matrix equation. How many vectors are there? Three vectors. So we should consider only three scalars, that are k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus k3 x3 equal to 0. Okay. Now by using this equation, we can write the form of equation in AK is equal to 0 form. Means here we are taking that matrix form, where A is the matrix of coefficient, K is the matrix of unknowns, and here 0, that is the matrix of constant. So first we are taking that matrix A. Now three vectors are given, x1, x2, x3. Now these row vectors we are taking as a column. First column, that is 2 minus 1, 3, 2. Second vector as a second column, that is 1, 3, 4, 2. And third vector, that is third column, 3, minus 5, 2, 2. Okay. Then K, matrix K, matrix of unknowns. How many unknowns are there?
Three unknowns.
K1,
Three unknowns.
yes, K2 and K3. Even here we have four columns, four rows. इथे चार rows असले तरी सुद्धा आपल्याला आपले स्केलर्स किती आहेत? फक्त 3. So K1, K2, K3. So many times we are taking that K4 also, but that is wrong, totally wrong. इथे 3 columns आहेत, 3 vectors असल्यामुळे 3 स्केलर घ्यायचे. पण ज्यावेळेस आपण जे व्हेक्टर्स आहेत, रो व्हेक्टर्स आपण कॉलमच्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहितो, तर त्यावेळेस आपल्याला 4 रोज मिळतात. आणि खूपदा असं होतं की 4 रोज मिळाले म्हणून आपण इथं स्केलर सुद्धा 4 घेतोय. खूप जण करतात असं, हे पण ते रॉंग आहे. 3 vectors are there, therefore we are taking that only 3 scalars, which is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now solving this, apply row transformations only. What will be the first transformation?
R2
Divided by 2.
R2
R4 minus
Divided by 2.
R1. R2 changes to R1.
R1 2. R1 2.
एक जण सांगा, कोणतीतरी एक ऍट अ टाइम तिन्ही अप्लाय करू शकत नाही आपण इथं.
R1 2.
R4 by 4. R4 by 2.
पहिल्यांदा R4/2 घेऊयात. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर R14 घेऊयात. ठीक आहे. You can consider or you can apply your own transformation. First we are taking 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 3, 4, 2, and by dividing 2 to last row, it gives 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then unknowns are K1, K2, K3, which is equal to 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now R14. So here first row interchanging with last row, then minus 1, 3, minus 5, 3, 4, 2, and last ला आपल्याला row घ्यायचा आहे तो first row. So 2, 1, 3. Then here K1, K2, K3. Okay, which is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. The next transformation,
R2 plus R1.
R2 plus R1, then R4. You can apply your transformation, no problem. Just I am taking with this R2 plus R1, R4 minus 2R1. Okay. First row 1, 1, 1. R2 plus R1 minus 1 plus 1, 0. 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. Then 3, 4, 2 as it is. Then applying R4 minus 2R1. So 2 minus 2, it gives 0. 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. 3 minus 2, it is 1 plus 1. Okay. Unknowns are K1, K2, K3, which is equal to 0. Next transformation, R3 minus thrice
R1.
R1. So by using this transformation, let's go. 1, 1, 1, 0, 4, minus 4, 3 minus 3, 0, 4 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, minus 1, and last row with element 0, minus 1, and plus 1. Here K1, K2, K3, which is equal to 0, 0, 0. Next transformation,
R4 plus R3.
okay. Before that, shall I take that R2 by 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. R2 by 4. Then next R4 plus R3. And simultaneously I am taking that R3.
Plus R
No, it is
minus.
it is minus R3 minus R2. Okay. So first row as it is 1, 1, 1. In second row, we are taking that divided by 4. So it is 1 and minus 1. In third row, 0. Look at that, R3 minus R2. R3 that is 1. 1 minus 1. 0 minus 1 plus 1. 0. Then last row, R4 plus R3. 1 plus minus 1 plus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Then unknowns here we have K1, K2, K3. Okay, is equal to 0, 0. Okay, now whether transformation is applicable?
No.
No, means we have to rewrite the equation. Rewrite equation with this matrix form. So first equation, what we are getting here? K1 plus K2 plus K3 equal to 0. Then second equation, K2 minus K3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, if we are taking rank of A, what is the rank of A? Matrix A. याची rank किती येणार आहे? Yes, rank of A is equal to 2. 2. What are the number of unknowns?
3.
3. Isn't it? So here R is less than N. R is less than N means we have to consider N minus R parameter. We have to consider N minus R parameter. Therefore, consider N minus R, which is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1 parameter. So in that case, we are taking K3 is equal to T. Consider K3 is equal to T. Put this K3 is equal to T in second equation. So what we are getting value of K2? K2 is equal to K2 minus T is equal to 0. So K2 is equal to minus T. त्या side ला घेतला तर it will be plus T. So K2 is equal to T. Okay. Now these two values K2 and K3 we are keeping in first equation. K2 and K3 we are keeping in first equation. What will be the value of K1?
Minus 2t.
Minus
Yes,
2t.
it is minus 2t. Now, as we are getting value of K1, K2, K3 other than 0, therefore, we can say vectors are linearly,
Dependent.
yes, it is dependent. Vectors are linearly dependent. Now we are going to see the relation between these vectors. Okay. So how we are taking that? Put the values of K1 is equal to minus 2t, K2 is equal to t, and K3 is equal to t in matrix equation. Which is that equation? This first equation. K1 x1 plus K2 x2 plus K3 x3 is equal to 0. So that is K1 x1 plus K2 x2 plus K3 x3 is equal to 0. So what is the value of K1? It is minus 2t x1 plus 2t x2 plus K3 x3 is equal to 0. So what is the value of K3? It is minus 2t x1 plus K2 x2 plus K3 x3 is equal to 0. So what is the value of K1? It is minus 2t x1 plus K2 x2 plus K3 x3 is equal to 0. So what is the value of K1? It is minus 2t x1 plus tx2 plus tx3 is equal to 0. Divide this equation throughout by t. So divide by t throughout the equation. We get that equation as minus 2x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. Okay, so either you can consider x2 or x3. कोणतेही एक रिलेशन आपण डिफाइन करू शकतोय. आता या इक्वेशन मध्ये सपोज एक क्वेश्चन असा असेल, आर द वेक्टर्स आर लिनियरली डिपेंडेंट? इफ सो, express x3 as a linear combination of x2. Okay, so at that time I am taking that x3 is equal to 2x1 minus x2. कोणतेही एक इक्वेशन घेऊ शकता तुम्ही इथं. x2 plus x3 is equal to 2x1 घ्या, किंवा x3 is equal to 2x1 minus x2 घ्या, किंवा x2 is equal to 2x1 minus x3 घ्या. Okay, so here we can find out. Suppose आता या ठिकाणी क्वेश्चन असा विचारला, express x3 in the linear combination of x2. At that time we have to find out x3. x3 चा आणि याचे रिलेशन काय आहे ते इथे डिफाइन करू शकतोय. ठीक आहे. So x3 is equal to 2x1 minus x2. This is the relation between that given three vectors. Just check out that. What is x3? x3 is equal to, आता ह्या ठिकाणी हे रफ म्हणजे नोट असणार आहे. x3 काय आहे आपलं? 3 minus 5 2. Okay, then what about x1? 2 minus 1 3 2. Okay, then what is the x2? It is 1 3 4 2. आता या ठिकाणी कॉम्बिनेशन म्हणजे लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन किंवा याच्यामध्ये जे रिलेशन आहे 2x1 minus x2 is equal to x3. So if we are multiplying this with 2 into 2 4 minus 1 3, 2 into minus 1 that is minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 2 into 3 6 minus 4 2 into 2 4 minus 2 it is 2. Okay, now in same way you can express this relation as x2 is equal to 2x1 minus x3 or x2 plus x3 is equal to 2x1. You will get that same answer. Means here it is the linear combination of given three vectors. Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Last step you can explain again.
Which one? Just a
Last
minute.
step. This last step.
Just a minute. I will explain. This one, na? x3 is equal to 2x1 minus x2. This is called as a linear combination of given vector. Or we can express x3 in terms of or in the linear combination of x2. Okay, so look at that. x3 already आपल्याला दिलेला आहे इथं. इथं तीन vectors दिलेले आहेत, x1, x2 and x3. Okay, now this x3, consider the value of x3, whatever that vectors components are there, 3 minus 5 2 2. Okay, आता ह्याच्यातलं रिलेशन काय आहे बघा, 2x1 minus x2. जर x1 ची जी काही वेक्टर दिलेलं आहे x1 2 minus 1 3 2, त्याला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं, 2 into 2 4. ओके, आता इथं 2x1 minus x2 आहे, 4 minus 1 किती होतात?
3. हा मॅम, got it.
त्याच्यानंतर 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 2 into 3 6 minus 4 2 into 2 4 minus 2 again 2. So here it is called as a linear combination between three vectors. Okay, or you can say it as express x3 in linear combination of x2. कोणताही एक रिलेशन तुम्ही तो एक्सप्रेस करू शकता. You will get that answer definitely. Okay, everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any problem?
Ma'am.
Is there any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going for next one. नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन कोणतं आहे बघा आपलं क्वेश्चन काय आहे बघा नेक्स्ट लुक एट दिस 1 1 minus 1 1 second row vector 3 1 0 1 and third row vector it is 1 minus 1 2 minus 1. Okay, let us start that. So just we have to write that row vectors x1 is equal to कोणता आहे तिथं पहिलं काय
1 1 minus 1 1
1 1 minus 1 1 त्याच्यानंतर सेकंड रो
3 1 0 1
3 1
0 1.
0 1 then x3
1 minus 1 2 minus 1
1 minus 1 2 minus 1. Okay, so here we are taking consider matrix equation.
मॅम तिथे कॉमा हवेत ना नाहीतर ते मॅट्रिक्स होईल ना
हा चालतेच म्हणलं तुम्हाला कॉम्पोनंट्स आहेत याच्यात स्पेस दिलेला आहे ऍक्च्युअल हे व्हेक्टर्सच आहेत
ओके
दिलेले 3 व्हेक्टर्स आहेत आणि मी तुम्हाला कालच त्याच्या दोन्ही मधला फरक सांगितला होता जर कॉमा असेल तर ते कॉम्पोनंट्स म्हणून कन्सिडर केले जातात आणि जर कॉमा नसेल तर ते तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी रो व्हेक्टर सॉरी मॅट्रिक्स कन्सिडर करू शकता रो मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, पण आता आपण जे एक्झाम्पल्स घेतोय ते सगळे आपले व्हेक्टर्सचे आहेत त्यामुळे मी डिरेक्टली लिहून टाकले इथं. ओके, consider a matrix equation. What is that? How many rows are there? How many row vectors are there? 3 vectors. So it is k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus k3 x3 is equal to 0. Now directly we are taking that the matrix form AK is equal to 0. आता या ठिकाणी डिरेक्टली घ्या किंवा तुम्ही k1 into first vector plus k2 into second vector plus k3 into third vector असं घेऊन सुद्धा सॉल्व करू शकताय. ओके, सो इन फर्स्ट matrix of coefficient, this first row vector we are taking as a common column of that matrix A. So 1 1 minus 1 1. Then second row vector, the components of row vector we are taking as a element of this matrix A as a second column. So it is 3 1 0 1 आणि जो लास्ट वेक्टर आहे तो थर्ड कॉलम. सो इट इज 1 minus 1 2 minus 1. Okay, now K, matrix K that are unknowns. How many unknowns are there? Only 3 unknowns. Okay, equal to 0. Now tell me that transformations, applying row transformations only.
R4 minus
R4 minus R2.
R4 minus R2. Okay, next one.
R3 plus R1
R3 plus R1. ठीक आहे, हे दोन घेऊयात अगोदर आपण इथं. First row 1 3 1. Second row 1 1 minus 1. Now we are applying transformation on third row as well fourth row. So R3 plus R1 minus 1 plus 1 0 0 plus 3, 3 minus, 2 plus 1, 3. Is it okay? R3 plus R1. Now going for next transformation, that is R4 minus R2. So 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. K1, K2, K3. Okay. 0. Now next.
R2 minus
R2 minus R1.
R2 minus R1 as well.
R3
R3
by
by 3.
3.
दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन आपण इथे यूज करूयात. So 1, 3, 1, 0, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, it is again minus 2, 0, 1, 1, and last row with element 0. K1, K2, K3. Okay, is equal to 0. ठीक है. Next,
R3 plus R2.
R2 by
minus
-2 किंवा +2, -1 असेल तरी पण चालतं. त्याच्यानंतर R3 minus R2. R2 by -2 घेतलाय आपण इथं, त्यामुळे इथं 1 1 येईल. 1 3 1 0 1 1. By applying that next transformation, that is R3 minus R2, it gives 0. K1, K2, K3 equal to there is no any next transformation, so we are writing the equations with this reduced matrix form. So first equation, K1 plus 3 K2 plus K3 is equal to 0. Second, K2 plus K3 is equal to 0. Okay. Then next, what to do next? Just
Rank
check
of A.
out rank of A, that is equal to R is equal to 2. Number of unknowns, that are 3. Here R is less than N. So consider a parameter N minus R, that is 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So consider K3 is equal to any variable you can consider. K3 is equal to T. So put this value of K3 is equal to T in second equation. Here we have, suppose this one is the first, this one is the second equation. So put in second equation. Therefore we are getting value of K2 minus T. And if we are keeping value of K3 and K2 in first equation, we get the value of K1 minus 3T plus T is equal to 0. Therefore, K1 is equal to minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. It will be plus 2. Look at that. Okay. The given vectors are linearly
dependent.
डिपेंडंट. ओके, आता याच्या ठिकाणी लिनियर डिपेंडेंट म्हणलेलं आहे. मग आता काय करतोय परत, K1, K2, K3 चे व्हॅल्यू आपण या फर्स्ट जो इक्वेशन घेतलेला आहे आपण मॅट्रिक्स इक्वेशन त्याच्यामध्ये पुट करतोय. सो कन्सिडर द मॅट्रिक्स इक्वेशन. Consider the given equation K1 x1 plus K2 x2 plus K3 x3 is equal to 0. ओके, आता याच्यामध्ये व्हॅल्यू पुट केले K1, K2, K3 च्या, तर मग इथे इक्वेशन काय मिळेल, 2t x1 plus what is the value of K2, minus t x2, K3 is t x3 is equal to 0. So divide this equation by t. Okay, so after dividing a matrix equation with t, then what we are getting here, therefore 2x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. Now either you can consider any one of them. आता या ठिकाणी जर मी असं घेतलं, इथं लुक बघा इथं मी कसं घेते, इथं 2x1 is equal to x2 minus x3. 2x1 is equal to x2 minus x3. Therefore, the linear combination we can take as x1 is equal to x2 minus x3 divided by 2. x1 is equal to x2 minus x3 divided by 2. Let us check whether this linear combination is correct or wrong. पहिल्यांदा आपण हे घेऊयात 2x1. x1 काय आपला, here x1 is given 1 1 minus 1 1. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर x2 आहे आपला दिलेला जो वेक्टर आहे, रो वेक्टर, तो आहे 3 1 0 1 आणि x3 दिलेला आहे तो 1 minus 1 2 1. ओके, लेट अस चेक दॅट. इथे 2 नी मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर वेक्टर काय मिळेल आपल्याला, 2 2 minus 2 and 2. ओके, आता हे इक्वेशन आपलं जे इक्वेशन आहे x2 minus x3 आहे, हे कॉम्बिनेशन करेक्ट आहे का रॉंग आहे बघूयात आपण आता. 3 minus 1 2, 1 minus minus 1 means it will be plus 1, so it will be 2. 0 minus 2 minus 2, 1
Last element minus 1.
minus 1 आहे.
minus आहे. हाँ 1 minus minus 1 it will be 2. ठीक आहे, मग आता हे ऑब्विसली हे पण हे करेक्ट आहे, म्हणजे हे जे कॉम्बिनेशन आहे 2x1 is equal to x2 minus x3 हे कॉम्बिनेशन करेक्ट आहे. मग याच्यावरून आपण हे कॉम्बिनेशन सुद्धा प्रूव्ह करू शकतो. x2 minus x3 काय आहे बघा, x2 minus x3 काय आहे विदाउट 2, जर 2 घेतलं x3 minus x2 काय आलंय बघा, 3 minus 2 1 2 1 minus minus that is 2, परत 0 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus minus 1 it is 2. याच्यातनं 2 कॉमन काढला आपण, डिवाइडेड बाय 2 आहे, 2 2 कॅन्सल होणार, म्हणजे हे सुद्धा आपलं लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन करेक्ट आहे. ठीक आहे, हे समजलं प्रत्येकांना.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any difficulty in these examples? कुणाला हे एक्झाम्पल डिफिकल्ट वाटतात का?
मॅडम रिलेशन
No, ma'am.
नंतर काही स्टेप्स करून दाखवायला लागेल का?
नाही नाही नाही,
Last
गरज
step.
नाहीये. हे आपण आपल्या म्हणजे ह्याच्यासाठी घेतोय, हे जे घेतले ना आपण खाली,
Check करण्यासाठी
करेक्ट आहे का
ना.
रॉंग आहे ते आपल्यासाठी चेक करतोय. ऍक्च्युअल ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला व्हेक्टर्स दिलेले असतात आणि त्याचा क्वेश्चन विचारलेला असतो की शो द लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन बिटवीन दीज 3 व्हेक्टर्स और शो द लिनियर रिलेशन बिटवीन दीज रो व्हेक्टर्स. ओके, देन यू विल गेट आयदर सच टाइप ऑफ. आता मगाशी जे एक्झाम्पल्स बघितले त्याच्यामध्ये आपण x3 इज इक्वल टू घेतलं किंवा x2 इज इक्वल टू घेतलं. आता कोणतं पण एक रिलेशन घेऊ शकता तुम्ही. आता मी इथे काय घेतलं 2x1 इज इक्वल टू x2 मायनस x3, therefore x1 इज इक्वल टू x2 मायनस x3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 हे रिलेशन घेतलं. तुम्ही याच्या व्यतिरिक्त असंही घेऊ शकताय x3 इज इक्वल टू x2 मायनस 2x1 असंही घेऊ शकताय किंवा x2 इज इक्वल टू x2 तिकडे घेतला तर इथं काय असणार आहे 2x1 प्लस x3 असणार आहे. 2x1 प्लस x3 इज इक्वल टू x2 असंही कॉम्बिनेशन घेऊ शकताय. मग तिथं क्वेश्चनच तसा विचारला असेल जस्ट टू शो दॅट द लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन बिटवीन देम म्हणलं तर या कोणत्याही एका फॉर्म मध्ये तुम्ही तिथं दाखवू शकताय. आणि पर्टिक्युलरली मगाशी तुम्हाला एक पहिलं एक्झाम्पल ज्यावेळेस आपण घेतलं त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला पर्टिक्युलरली एक क्वेश्चन होता एक्सप्रेस x3 in linear combination of x2. At that time you have to show x3 is equal to whatever that relation is there you can show that. ओके, आणि हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायची गरज नाही, हे दाखवायची गरज नाही, हे आपण आपल्या कन्व्हिनियन्स साठी म्हणजे आपल्या समाधानासाठी आपण ते बघितलेलं आहे. म्हणजे हे रिलेशन करेक्ट आहे का रॉंग आहे. ऑलवेज करेक्ट असणार आहे पण तरी सुद्धा तुम्हाला समजायला हवंय म्हणून हे आपल्याला हे खालचे जे काही आपण स्टेप्स घेतलेले आहेत ते आपल्यासाठी घेतलेले आहेत. पण इथे दाखवायची गरज नाहीये. ओके, समजलं प्रत्येकाला?
येस मॅडम.
Yes, ma'am.
Going for the next example. What is that? Third example सांगा. लिहून घेतले कोणी? Hmm. 1 1 1 3 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 7. So here I am taking that first row vector x1 is equal to 1 1 1 3. x2 is equal to 1 2 3 4 आणि जो x3 दिलेला आहे थर्ड रो वेक्टर that is 2 3 4 7. Now going to solve this one. Okay. Consider the equation. Which equation we are going to consider? Matrix equation. K1 x1 plus K2 x2 plus K3 x3 equal to 0. So by using a matrix form of this equation, AK is equal to 0, where A is the matrix of coefficient. Now this first row vector we are taking as a first column of that matrix A, second row vector second column of matrix A, and third row vector third column of matrix A, and K matrix K, that is the matrix of unknowns, and 0 that are the constants. Okay, so let us start. 1 1 1 3, second column 1 2 3 4, third column 2 3 4 7. Then K1 K2 K3 is equal to 0. Okay, now applying row transformations only. Apply that here. Which transformation we can apply?
minus R1.
R1
R2 minus R1 then R3 minus R2. I am taking that, look at that, R3 minus R2 as well. R4 minus 3
R1.
R. At a time applying 3 transformations. So here, first row 1, 1, 2. Second row R2 minus R1. 0, 1, 1. R3 minus R2. 0, 1, 1. R4 minus 3R1. 0, 1. 7 minus 6. Again it is 1. Unknowns are K1, K2, K3 equal to 0. Okay. Then next R4 minus R3. R3 minus R2. दोनच होऊ शकतात, त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्ती होणार नाहीयेत. Okay. So by applying this transformation, we are getting 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Last row also we are getting 0. Then K1, K2, K3 is equal to 0. So by using this reduced row echelon form, we can rewrite the equations. So first equation, K1 plus K2 plus 2K3 is equal to 0. Now we are getting the values of K1, K2, K3. Second equation काय मिळणार आपल्याला? K2 plus K3 is equal to 0. What is the rank?
2.
Rank of A? Yes, rank of A is equal to 2. Number of unknowns?
3.
That are 3. Okay, so here R is less than N. R is less than N. That's why we have to consider N minus R parameter. Consider N minus R parameter. And here we are assigning another variable for K3. So put or consider K3 is equal to T. Okay, put K3 is equal to T. Consider this value of K3 in for second equation. By using K3 is equal to T, if you are keeping in this second equation, what we are getting value of K2?
Minus T.
K2 is equal to minus T. And we have to consider the value of K2 and K3 for first equation. So what is the value of K1?
Minus
K1 is equal to K2 is minus T plus 2T. Minus T plus 2T, it is plus T, and when we are shifting on next side, it will be minus T. Okay. Therefore, by using the values of K1, K2, K3, these three values are non-zero. Okay. So we can say as vectors are linearly dependent. Vectors are linearly dependent. Now we have to put the values of K1, K2 and K3 in first equation. Okay. So by putting the values of K1, K2 and K3 in matrix equation. So that we get the equation as minus T x1 plus K2 minus T x2 plus K3 T x3 equal to 0. Then next step, we are dividing,
by T.
yes, dividing by T.
T minus T.
T throughout the equation. Therefore, we are getting equation as minus x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. Therefore, we are getting the linear combination of these three vectors as x3 is equal to x1 plus x2. This will be the linear combination between given three vectors. Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
आणि
Yes,
शेवटचं
ma'am.
जे एक्झाम्पल आहे ते तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करा आता. शेवटचं जे एक्झाम्पल आहे ते तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करा. ते एक्झाम्पल लिहून देते होमवर्क साठी. x1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Note down this equation example. x2 is equal to 4, 3, 2, 1 and x3 is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay, roll number 18 is present. Roll number 18. Roll number 27. Roll number 32. Roll number 32. And roll number 61. Okay, I am going to wind up this meeting here only. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.